I said something about like feng shui because I redid the house or something, and you said something to me. It was just a sentence, right? But I was literally mind blown at like 2:30 a.m. in the morning, and I thought how rare of an experience that is, you know, and how like for me that's so important to be mentally stimulated. Like if I didn't have that, I don't even know like what I would do. You know?
So were you mentally stimulated this morning?
Yeah.
Did it help you get out of your funk?
Yeah.
Right? Talk about that. What did you sharpen in you by watching? What were the decisions you made? Because I saw her become sharper right in front of me.
Yeah. Just the internal the mental discipline, you know, not allowing my mind to go certain ways, not allowing my body to even be lacking in energy or consciousness or anything like that. So. And
then in the morning I said to you, I said, I was in the process the whole night.
Yeah.
And she immediately said, I could tell, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Well, I didn't ask you anything about it. I just go, oh, you could? What do you mean by that?
Well, I could just tell that like even from last night when I had come over, like.
What time did you get here? Around 9?
Around 8:30.
Yeah. Hey, was I doing push-ups?
You were doing push-ups. We were walking, and then you came in.
And then did I do push-ups?
Yeah, and then you did push-ups.
Okay.
Then you were studying, and
then hold on, listen. At 9 p.m., she came over. I was walking. Then I came home doing push-ups, and I was studying. Right? Like she needs to know if she's gonna occupy my space. Like Cristali spends the night a lot. Yeah, Cristali calling. How interesting. Right? I said Cristali just called her. What is that? You see that? I go, Cristali, boom, she shows me the phone, Cristali. Right? They have to know that I'm on my process. And it can't be like, lay with me, talk to me, like, what? Who are you? Because you definitely don't know who the fuck I am. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Not ready? A girl spends the night with you.